Are you planning to list your house this spring? If so, you're in the right place. Selling your home can seem like a daunting task, but with a little preparation, you can make a great first impression on potential buyers. Key steps include decluttering and organizing your space, giving your kitchen and bathrooms a deep clean, maintaining your yard for that all-important curb appeal, and finding a knowledgeable listing agent. Stay tuned as we break down these steps one by one. First things first, let's tackle decluttering and organizing. This is your chance to create a sense of space and openness. Remember, a clutter-free home is like a blank canvas for potential buyers. It's all about making them envision themselves living in your house. So, roll up your sleeves, sort out that pile of magazines, and show off the real potential of your home. It's not just about cleaning, it's about presenting a lifestyle. As you can see, a tidy and organized home is more appealing to potential buyers. Moving on to the next step, give your kitchen and bathrooms a thorough cleaning. These spaces are like the showpieces of your home, often making the first and most lasting impression on potential buyers. So, roll up your sleeves and get scrubbing. From the oven to the shower tiles, make sure every corner shines. This deep cleaning can truly transform these spaces, making them sparkle and shine. It's all about leaving a lasting positive impression. Remember, a clean home is a welcoming home. Now let's head outdoors. A well-maintained yard can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal. Picture this: lush green grass, blooming flowers, trimmed hedges, leaves raked and pathways clear. This is the first impression a potential buyer gets when they pull up. It's like a welcoming smile inviting them to step inside. Regular yard maintenance, while sometimes overlooked, is a key player in enticing buyers from the moment they arrive on your doorstep. Remember, a beautiful yard can be the first step in winning over a potential buyer. Finally, it's time to find a skilled listing agent to guide you through the process. Picture them as your home selling guru, your partner in crime, your guiding light. They're the ones who bring to the table expert advice on staging, pricing, and enhancing your home's appeal. They'll help you set a price that balances attracting potential buyers and maximizing your return. They're your eyes and ears in the market, ensuring your home stands out in the spring listing crowd. A good listing agent is your ally in achieving a successful sale. In conclusion, preparing your house for a spring listing involves a few key steps. Remember to declutter and organize, creating that sense of space and openness. Don't forget to give your kitchen and bathrooms a thorough deep clean. They're the focal points for buyers. Maintain your yard for that irresistible curb appeal, and finally, find a skilled listing agent to guide you through the process. By following these steps, you can create a welcoming environment that resonates with buyers and increases your chances of a successful sale this spring. Now it's time to get to work.